The Rieju
L'off-road
Aventura 500
Avventura
is the Spanish
500.
brand's
L'anno
model
scorso
entering the
avevamo
popular
portato
trail
sui nostri
segment for its
canali
A2
l'Avventura
license.
500
It is an
Legend.
attractive
Quest'anno
motorcycle
vogliamo
thanks to its
portare la
large
nostra
motorbike
attenzione
aesthetic, where the front with
sull'altro
dual LED
modello
headlights
presente
gives a
nel
sleek
listino,
impression. The
in questo
connection
caso
between the
abbinato
fairing
con
and the
alcuni
front tank is very
accessori di
well
cassa
finished,
shad.
while
Parliamo
another
quindi
fuel
delle
tank is
borse
installed
rigide
at the rear. The
laterali,
total capacity is 40
qui ecco le
liters,
presenti
20
sulle
liters each,
fiancate.
so the announced range is around 1,000 kilometers. Don't go anywhere, stay here. Each of them works separately, and this also allows the center of gravity to be lowered, thus obtaining a better mass distribution. Another adventurous and almost Icarian element is the elongated exhaust manifold under the engine, which ends in an elongated and upward-oriented damper. Despite its appearance, this motorbike is not too big, with the seat located just 840 millimeters from the ground and a dry weight of 190 kilograms. Ergonomics was taken into account to achieve a comfortable riding position, as rotating footrests or a raised handlebar are installed, thus allowing correct riding while standing. This motorbike is designed to take on great adventures, even in the countryside, where you can take full advantage of the 21 tubeless wheels at the front and 18 at the rear and the long travel suspension, with 190 millimeters on both axles. The inverted fork is adjustable in terms of extension, compression, and preload, while a monoshock has been installed behind it with the same adjustment possibilities and works through a linkage system. A steering damper should be added to achieve safer driving at high speeds. Braking is entrusted to double front discs with a diameter of 298 mm and dual piston calipers, as well as a 240 mm rear disc, supported by a dual-channel ABS system that allows disconnection of the rear wheel. Responsible for powering this set is a 500cc liquid-cooled inline 2-cylinder engine that produces 47 HP, so it can be driven with an A2 license. In more detail, the 7-digital instrumentation with Mirror Connect functionality attracts attention for being able to connect it to the mobile phone and use any browser installed on the user's smartphone. Other elements included as standard are the radiator guard, aluminum skid plate, hand guard, center stand, and dual USB sockets.